Uneven or broken sidewalks often form trip hazards, making walking unsafe for pedestrians. If left unrepaired, you can risk failing government inspections or legal action if injury occurs. At Universal Concrete Grinding, we eliminate trip hazards in compliance with ADA standards. Different from other methods that can leave your concrete gouged and damaged, our process provides a smooth yet non-slip finish. With GIS mapping, analysis, and data storage, we repair your exact coordinates every time. We also fill in concrete cracks, spalled areas, or patch holes so that you can pass inspection and avoid the cost of replacement. Equipped with dust abatement, we reduce airborne particles and meet OSHA requirements, always leaving a clean and safe work environment. Call to schedule a nationwide Universal Concrete Grinding crew today. Universal Concrete Grinding. See more at universalconcretegrinding.com.